dear snooker fans, players and coaches. Welcome to our Snooker Pro Club YouTube channel. Together with our team, we are happy to have a chance to help you in improving your snooker game and moving to the higher level of mastership. Our Snooker Pro Club YouTube channel is a resource where you will learn how to build decent stance, how to ensure correct aiming and eye alignment, how to have consistent address position, how to form firm bridge hand, how to control cue ball, how to cue off the cushion, how to escape from snookers, how to snooker, how to have good safety game, how to be master of tactical game, how to play doubles, how to make big maximum breaks, how to develop mental strength and focus in snooker, how to think correctly in snooker, and most importantly, how to have fun and enjoy the snooker. Our channel is full of innovative ideas and practices, which will make your user experience beneficial and interesting. Also, you will be able to use our additional services: online, live coaching, Skype, Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, video courses, coaching videos, training programs, email support. What can you expect from our Snooker Pro Club YouTube channel? Professional player's perspective of snooker game. On the left side of the screen, there will be 5-point cue ball speed scale. You will start to develop cue ball speed feeling in order to understand how to pot or control cue ball, performing the most quiet to the most hard shots. We will show examples of quiet shot, medium pace shots and hard shots in the video. Those tips will teach you play correct cue ball speed on each and every shot. Go to your local billiard club and try to repeat what you have learned from the tip. What can you expect from our Snooker Pro Club YouTube channel? Our video lessons show shots recorded from the GoPro camera, video from player's perspective, which includes graphical explanation such as striking points on the cue ball used while executing a shot and contact points with different cuts. There are 8 aiming points on the ball. Exact aiming points will be demonstrated during the short pauses before and after the shot. Watch first part. In this snooker practice video, 8 reds and 8 blues, I will share my thoughts on shot selection, cue ball spin, cue ball speed and cue action. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.